One thing chemistry majors need to become good at is inserting equations into Word. So I wanted to demonstrate that to you right now. So within Word, you have this ribbon up here and an equation tab here where it says Insert Equation. So there's a whole bunch of pre-done ones, but most of the time you're just going to insert a new equation. Once you're here, this is where you use these tools here at the top in order to insert an equation. So let's say you wanted to insert a fraction, you just come up here and insert a fraction. Or you can have superscripts or subscripts. So like this one is if you've got like, you know, you want to type in one number here, one here, so on and so forth. Let's pretend we have an equilibrium problem that we're going to do. So we might do something like Ka equals, and then we need to put brackets around something because maybe it's a concentration, but then it's going to be a bracket that is going to be raised to something. And so we click here, click on the bracket, go choose which type of bracket you want, and then maybe we want another one of those, so insert subscript with a superscript, click on where the box where the bracket goes, and it normally does help if you do the superscript, subscript first and then the bracket part of it. And so then we can do the same thing on the bottom. If you do it the opposite, it works as well, but it's just a matter of preference. So you might be A, so some chemical, B, and maybe C. And so you can insert things like that. If you need to insert special symbols, you've got this list of symbols here. For instance, delta is used a lot, but if your symbol is not here, then you would need to maybe go to insert and then symbol and then go find it here within this one. And so that's just kind of a nutshell of how you would insert symbols. And you can either do them in this format, or you can click on this little arrow down here and you can make it linear. I think I personally prefer the other way, but that is a matter of preference to both you and your professor.